Okay.
Okay, hi, it's ColeP back here again. I'm in my grandma's garage, and I'll be opening the openers for you. But I'll tell you the brands of them. We got the Menards Linear, and we got the Sears Craftsman. So here we go. Very noisy. But they're very nice though. My grandpa had a broken garage opener. So he got a new one last year, once it was 2011. So I'll be putting this video on YouTube, but I know my grandpa's watching Parent Trap right now, but I can hear it from here in the garage. But the light does work on the Linear.